Friends, hello! In this video, I will share with you my secrets of growing sweet peppers to achieve a truly large, tasty, and healthy harvest. There aren't many secrets, and they are very easy to follow so that you can grow such beautiful and tasty peppers. And the first secret to growing sweet peppers as large as you can see compared to my hand is that you must absolutely, indeed, grow them in a greenhouse, not in open ground. Because peppers are a heat-loving plant in open ground, you plant the seedlings in early spring. The nights are still cool. And in summer, they can be cool. Peppers grow slowly, the bush stays small and yields little. Also, the fruits itself grow to a smaller size. This has been proven. In open ground, pests and diseases attack peppers. In a greenhouse this happens rarely, but it's easy to combat them. The second secret is proper watering. Because peppers not only love warmth, but they also need sufficient moisture. The best method is drip irrigation. The video about how I set up this drip irrigation is available on my channel. Check it out. I water plants with drip irrigation using 2 liters in the morning and in the evening. If you are watering with a watering can, make small depressions near the stem so when you water, the water stays in the center and doesn't spread away from the pepper, because the root system of peppers is not very large, and the watering should be concentrated there. You can also water in the evening once with 3 liters of water per bush. My next secret is fertilization. Peppers love it very much, and it needs to be done at least 4 times. 7 days after planting the seedlings in the greenhouse, I fertilized the peppers with a growth stimulator based on yeast. This video is also available on my channel, and I will leave the link in the top right corner. It gave my peppers strength to grow. 2 weeks after fertilizing, I used the peppers with organic nitrogen fertilizer. This is an infusion of cow manure. You can also use an infusion of chicken manure. Apply 1 liter of the prepared infusion per plant. I will leave a video on how to prepare these infusions in the top right corner. Watch! Then, when the peppers have just started to reach technical maturity, which is noticeable as they are not purely green, but are slowly beginning to change color, the plant definitely really needs some help. I fertilized with liquid potassium humate, 35 milliliters per 10 liters of water, and also added 1 liter of cow manure infusion to this solution, mixed, and watered the plants because at the time when the first harvest of peppers begins to gain technical color, it also continues to grow upwards. Therefore, it needs phosphorus, potassium, and nitrogen to grow upwards and set the second harvest, which I will be collecting at the end of summer. The fourth fertilization. It will be needed when these peppers also start to develop their technical color. They need to be fertilized in liquid potassium humate 35 milliliters per 10 liters of water. We won't need nitrogen anymore because the bushes will grow even taller, and they won't need to grow further since autumn will come, and it will be time to harvest and remove the pepper bushes. Now, the fourth rule. It consists of the fact that when we planted the peppers as seedlings in the ground, we absolutely, essentially needed to remove all the leaves up to the first node, up to the first fork. Also, there are suckers growing from the internodes here, and they need to be removed so they don't draw nutrients away. And when we remove these suckers, as well as the leaves, we provoke the redirection of nutrients to the top, and young leaves begin to grow here, which work for our bush. Cats perform good photosynthesis and thereby feed our plant to achieve a large harvest, as well as for vigorous growth. The fifth secret. It involves helping to pollinate the peppers, significantly. This is especially true when we grow in a greenhouse. There are no natural pollinators here, such as wind or bees, and we need to help our peppers. What do? When the flower blooms, we take our finger and pollinate it like this. See how much pollen there is. We have pollinated this pepper, and it will quickly transform from a flower into a small pepper that will grow and develop. When the pepper hasn't been pollinated, it turns yellow and does not hold on. It falls off quickly. This is not a pollinated pepper. I know the more peppers we leave, the later they ripen and smaller. Their taste is not the same as that of the large ones. So, try to grow large peppers, not many peppers. The sixth secret is in the care of the peppers. Ensuring the peppers don't get sick, get ventilation, and grow faster. The stem is growing and it is leaning towards the side where there is a shoot. A pepper always grows between these two shoots. Then higher up at the next fork, a pepper grows and the shoots diverge, just like here. And these shoots that grow inward, thereby shading the center of the bush, and they need to be removed. Break them, the pepper handles it, or cut them with scissors. Thus, when we remove these shoots that grow inward, but be very careful not to break the pepper plant, we ensure proper ventilation and the bushes grow faster and stronger. And such forks are present on every stem. We illuminate the center, it's better ventilated, and the sunlight passes through it. And this one I haven't thinned out yet, and I'll do it now. You see, the shoots that grow inward, I remove them. It's definitely better to do this at an earlier time than I do, but it must absolutely be done. Here, as you can see, is the center of the bush. A shoot and a sprout to the side. I take it and carefully remove it. These are all the secrets to maintaining a very large pepper harvest, so they are indeed truly tasty, beautiful, and large. And if you have any questions, please be sure to ask them in the comments section below, and also kindly share your secrets that you use for growing peppers. Also, I recently released a video on my channel about growing tomatoes, sharing all the secrets to achieving a truly large and tasty harvest. Friends, visit my channel for a lot of useful videos. I wish you a great day and see you in the next videos.